Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Adam.
And I am Sarah, and this is English Podcast Home.
Today, we will speak slow, clear, and natural English for beginners. Please listen carefully, repeat after us, practice again and again. Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, Adam. How are you today?
I am good. I am happy. And you?
I am good too. I feel fresh today.
That is great. Today, we will talk about our morning routine.
Repeat after Adam. Good morning. How are you? I am good. I feel happy. I feel fresh.
Now, repeat after Sarah. Good morning. I am fine. I am ready. Today is a new day. Practice again. Speak slowly. Clear voice. Again. Adam. Sarah, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. What about you?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you wake up early every day?
Yes, I wake up early from Monday to Friday. On Sunday, I wake up late.
That sounds nice.
Say these sentences. I wake up at 6:30. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up early. I wake up late. I wake up every day. Now make your own sentence. I wake up at. Say it 3 times. Again. Again. Adam. After I wake up, I wash my face. Then I brush my teeth.
Me too. First, I wash my face. Then I brush my teeth. After that, I take a shower.
Do you take a cold shower?
No, I take a warm shower.
Listen and repeat. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a warm shower. I get ready for the day. Say again. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. Speak clearly. Open your mouth. Slowly. I eat breakfast. I eat eggs. I eat toast. I drink tea. I drink coffee. What do you eat for breakfast? 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 After breakfast, I go to work. I go to work. I go by bus. I go by car. How long does it take? It takes 30 minutes. It takes 20 minutes. I go to work. I go by bus. I go by car. It takes 20 minutes. It takes 30 minutes. It takes blank minutes. Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, Adam.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
What do you do after you wake up?
I wash my face and brush my teeth.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and drink tea.
Great. Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, Adam.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
What do you do after you wake up?
I wash my face and brush my teeth.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and drink tea.
Great. Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, Adam.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
What do you do after you wake up?
I wash my face and brush my teeth.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and drink tea.
Great! Morning, afternoon, evening, night. Breakfast, shower, coffee, tea, early, late. I wake up in the morning. I eat breakfast in the morning. I feel happy in the morning. I wake up in the morning. I eat breakfast in the morning. I feel happy in the morning. I wake up in the morning. I eat breakfast in the morning. I feel happy in the morning. I wake up in the morning. I eat breakfast in the morning. I feel happy in the morning. I wake up early. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I start my day with a smile. I wake up early. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I start my day with a smile. I wake up early. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I start my day with a smile. I wake up early. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I start my day with a smile. Sarah, what do you do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I clean the kitchen.
That is good. Do you check your phone?
Yes, I check my messages.
Do you feel busy in the morning?
Sometimes I feel busy, but I try to stay calm.
That is very important. I feel busy. I stay calm. I start my day happily. I prepare for work. I feel ready. Again, slow voice, clear voice. Listen carefully. After I go to work, I greet my coworkers. I say, "Good morning." I sit at my desk. I check my computer. I start my work. I work hard. I take short breaks. I drink water. I smile at people. Now repeat everything. Again, again. Say these words 3 times. Wake up. Get up. Wash. Brush. Shower. Dress. Eat. Drink. Drive. Work. Smile. Now make sentences. I wake up early. I get up at 7 a.m. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I drink tea. I drive to work. I work hard. I smile every day. Repeat all sentences. Again, again. Listen carefully. Every morning I wake up early. I feel thankful for a new day. I wash my face and brush my teeth. I take a shower and get dressed. Then I eat breakfast and drink tea. After breakfast, I go to work. I work hard and stay positive. I talk to my coworkers. I learn new things every day. I come home in the evening. I feel happy because I did my best. Now say it without looking. Try again. Again. Slowly and clearly. First, you are Adam. Say, Good morning, Sarah. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? How do you go to work? Now you are Sarah. Say, Good morning, Adam. I wake up at 6:30. I eat eggs and drink tea. I go to work by car. Now speak the full conversation alone. Practice 2 times. Repeat 10 times. I am learning English. I speak slowly. I speak clearly. I improve every day. I am confident. I am not afraid to speak. I practice again and again. 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 Again.
Sarah, what time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 p.m. What about you?
I finish at 4:30 p.m.
What do you do after work?
After work, I go home. I feel a little tired, but I feel happy.
Yes, me too. After work, I relax.
I finish work at 5 p.m. I go home after work. I feel tired. I feel happy. Repeat after Sarah.
I relax after work. I take a deep breath. I rest for a while. Again, slowly, clearly.
When I arrive home, I change my clothes.
That's good. I also change my clothes.
Then I wash my hands.
After that, I help my family.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, sometimes I cook dinner. Sometimes my mother cooks.
I like simple food in the evening. Say these sentences.
I arrive home. I change my clothes. I wash my hands. I cook dinner. I eat dinner with my family.
Now say everything together. Again, without stopping. What do you eat for dinner?
I eat rice and vegetables. Sometimes I eat chicken.
That sounds delicious. I eat soup and bread.
Do you drink tea at night?
Yes, I drink tea, but I do not drink coffee at night. Repeat. I eat dinner. I eat rice. I eat vegetables. I drink tea. I do not drink coffee at night. Again. Clear pronunciation. After dinner, I watch TV.
I read a book.
That is nice. Reading is good.
Sometimes I listen to music.
Do you use your phone a lot?
No, I try to use my phone less.
Say, I watch TV. I read a book. I listen to music. I use my phone. I relax at night. Again. Slow. Natural. What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Before I sleep, I brush my teeth.
Me too. Then I say good night.
Sleep is very important.
Yes, sleep gives us energy. Repeat 5 times. I go to bed at 10:30. I brush my teeth before sleep. I say good night. Sleep is important. I sleep well. Again. 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 Now listen carefully. Every morning, I wake up early. I wash my face and brush my teeth. I take a shower and eat breakfast. Then I go to work. I work hard all day. In the evening, I go home. I eat dinner with my family. I relax and read a book. Before bed, I brush my teeth. Then I go to sleep peacefully. Now say it without looking. Try again. Again. I speak English every day. I improve every day. I am confident. I am learning step by step. I do not stop. Again. 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 Thank you for listening.
Practice every day.
Small practice?
Big improvement.
See you in the next episode of English Podcast Home.